Hold that. Let's try it. You got the Joyburst song ready, Chuck?
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. Feeling good, feeling great. Feeling like I'm a
Chuck, way up.
on a natural high. Like I let my joy burst through the sky. Yeah, I just hit my joy walk. Let the sun shine when I hit my joy walk. Rock a big smile when I do my joy walk. I bring a good vibe when I do my joy walk. Yeah, see I don't need no sugar. Don't wanna feel no crash. I just need that natural energy that's gonna last. Every time I let my joy burst. Let my joy burst. I grab a joy burst. And let my joy burst. I'm good all day, I'm good all night. I don't feel no crash, it's a natural high. Let my joy burst. Let my joy burst. Keep that vanilla ice cold in the spring or the summer. You know I stay sharp like the #1 stunner. I just bring the vibes, I got that natural energy. If I'm feeling low, you better know I got the remedy. Grab Woodgate with the joy check. Make the boss lose grip like a reflex. Everywhere we go, you know we got 'em going crazy. Grip too cold, it's vanilla ice, baby. I don't need no sugar. Don't wanna feel no crash. I just need that natural energy that's gonna last. Every time I let my joy burst. I let my joy burst. I grab a joy burst. And let my joy burst. Hey. I'm good all day, I'm good all night. I don't feel no crash, it's a natural high. Let my joy burst. I let my joy burst. Brand new bag, it's a whole lot bigger. Brand new money, it's a whole lot of figures. Brand new day, got me feeling so free. Things are going my way, got me feeling like winning. I just hit my joy walk, let the sun shine when I hit my joy walk. Rock a big smile while I do my joy walk. I bring the good vibes when I do my joy walk. Yeah, see I don't need no sugar. Don't wanna feel no crash. I just need that natural energy that's gonna last. Every time I let my joy burst. Let my joy burst.
Yeah.
I grab a joy burst. And let my joy burst. I'm good all day, I'm good all night. I don't feel no crash, it's a natural high. Let my joy burst. I let my joy burst.
And one great thing about this is you can find it real simple as a pimple on Vanilla Ice YouTube channel. Go right there and you can buy yourself all the Joyburst you want. You can go dancing with us. Hi guys.